I have a lovely standard A-level physics question here about an accelerating ball, but how many significant figures should we actually give our final answer to? So the question says we need to work out the acceleration. It starts at rest, reaches this velocity in that number of seconds. So I'm just going to say that we need to find the acceleration. We know it starts at rest, so u is equal to 0. This is our final velocity and this is the time it takes. Now we're going to use the standard GCSE equation that says acceleration is equal to the change in velocity divided by time. We can put the numbers in, so we've got 7.823 minus 0 divided by 0.81. And when we work that out in a calculator, this gives us a number equal to 9.65802. Now, we need to look at the raw data we've got here. That's given to 4 significant figures, but that's given to 2 significant figures. So 2 significant figures would be an appropriate way to give our final answer. So that means the acceleration is equal to 9.7, because 658 is closer to 7, and then the units will be meters per second squared. So the assumption is that when it says that something begins at rest, that's going to be exactly 0, and therefore we can ignore any significant figures in that, and it's just looking at these 2 things here, and we can see that that's to 2 significant figures, just like our final answer. So that's my approach to a question like that, and that's an appropriate way to present my final answer. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.